guys, I'm Varun and today we're going to be making an English breakfast classic. We're going to be making Danish pastries and we're going to be making the pastry dough in-house by hand, and we're going to be stuffing the pastries with some strawberry jam, some mango custard and some tender coconut flesh. It's a little lengthy and a time-consuming process, but the end result is totally worth the effort. So let's check out this recipe. So there was, guys, a Danish pastry from scratch. I used the strawberry and mango custard filling. You can fill it with any kind of jam that you like. If you don't want to buy processed jam from the market, you can make small quantities of fresh jams at home, be it any fruit, anything that is in season, and then you can stuff the center with those fruit jams. And if you have any kind of suggestion or any kind of innovative stuffing that I should use, do write back to me. Thanks a lot.